This is how jewelers clean silver, but they'll never tell you. It involves several reactions that simply remove years of grime and restore the silver to its original shine. Prepare a large pan. Pour in about 2 cups of water, then bring it to a boil. Add 2 tablespoons of black tea. Its natural tannins help dissolve dirt and bring back the metal's former luster, while also giving it a subtle freshness. Add 2 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid, which will help remove greasy residues, dust, and other impurities, ensuring a deeper clean. Cut 1 lemon in half and squeeze the juice directly into the pan. The natural citric acid will brighten the silver and remove dark tarnish. Now, add a piece of aluminum foil, which, when combined with hot water and lemon, will transfer the dirt from the jewelry to the foil, speeding up the cleaning process. Place the silver jewelry into the pan and cook for 5 minutes to reach every spot. Pour everything into a bowl and let it sit for 30 minutes to allow the cleaning process to complete on its own. Then, remove the jewelry and gently rub its surface with the remaining lemon, bringing out the final shine. Lastly, add 1 denture cleaning tablet. Scrub every detail with a toothbrush and rinse with water. Admire how your silver regains its original, dazzling appearance. The jewelry gleams as if it just left the display case in an exclusive jewelry store.